Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Google Chrome on Ubuntu 24.04.1 LTS version. By default, Google Chrome doesn't comes with Ubuntu operating system. Let us verify. Show applications, search for Chrome. See, we don't have the Chrome. Okay, the default browser comes with Ubuntu is Firefox. Let us open Firefox web browser, then go to Google. We can search for Google Chrome. Download. Now click on this Google Chrome. Download the fast secure web browser. Click on it. Click on download Google Chrome. See here we have the two types of packages, .debian and .rpm. So select the first one, that is .64-bit .debian, and click on accept and install. Once we click on, see, download has been started and its size is 106 megabytes. Wait until this download completes. See, download is completed. Now open terminal, go to download, cd, downloads, ls. See here we have the Google Chrome stable current .debian package. So let us install it. Sudo dp kg-i, then Google hyphen, give the tab to autofill and hit enter. Then provide the password of the sudo user. See, it is installing the version number 128. We have successfully installed Google Chrome. Now if we click on show applications, see here we have the Google Chrome. If you want to drag to this menu, just select it and drag it here. Now open Google Chrome. Click on it. See here the first option, make Google Chrome the default browser. I don't want. Also automatically send usage, statistics and cross reports to Google. I don't want both, so I have unchecked both the checkboxes. Then click on OK. Don't sign in. Got it. This is the Google Chrome web browser. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Google Chrome on Ubuntu 24.04.1 LTS version. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.